5 ways silicone coatings can protect your roof. Coming up next. Number 1. Waterproofing. Silicone coatings create a seamless, waterproof barrier over your roof. They form a durable and flexible membrane that prevents water from seeping into the underlying structure. Number 2. UV resistance. Silicone coatings possess excellent UV resistance properties. They can withstand prolonged exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays without deteriorating or breaking down. Number 3. Thermal cycling protection. Roofs are subjected to thermal cycling, where they experience extreme temperature fluctuations throughout the day and night. This constant expansion and contraction can lead to cracks, leaks, and damage over time. Silicone coatings have high elasticity and can accommodate these movements, providing protection against thermal cycling and minimizing the risk of structural damage. Number 4. Chemical resistance. Roofs are often exposed to various chemicals, such as pollutants, industrial emissions, and cleaning agents. Silicone coatings offer excellent chemical resistance, making them highly resistant to degradation caused by these substances. They act as a barrier that shields the roof from chemical exposure, preventing damage and extending its lifespan. Number 5. Longevity and durability. When properly applied and maintained, silicone coatings can provide long-term protection for your roof. Their ability to resist weathering, UV radiation, and other environmental factors ensures that the roof remains intact and functional for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacement. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.